Years have passed, and I still regret not learning these life lessons sooner. But the more I embrace them, the better my life becomes. And yours can too. Listen carefully. Life-changing realizations. You can't afford to ignore. 1. Rejection is redirection. Every time you're denied something good, life is steering you towards something better. 2. Control what you can. You can't control everything or everyone, but mastering yourself is true power. 3. Different. Better. Just because things could have been different doesn't mean they'd be better. 4. Own your story. Never let someone else hold the pen to your life. 5. The best is yet to come. Some of your greatest moments haven't even happened yet. Harsh truths that set you free. Know your worth. If you put yourself in the bargain bin, others will treat you like a discount. The work you avoid holds the magic. The success you crave is buried in the effort you're dodging. Dark times are growth. When you feel buried, remember, seeds grow in darkness before they bloom. Stop oversharing. The moment I stopped telling people my plans, my success skyrocketed. Your gut knows. Listen to it. It sees what your eyes can't. Wisdom for the strong-minded. Rule your life with logic, not emotion. Every bad decision was fueled by feelings, not reason. Love can't be forced. You can't convince someone to love you. Real love flows freely. Time, money. Spend money on things, but invest time in what money can't buy. Life doesn't get easier. You get stronger. Resilience is the only upgrade you need. Private life, happy life. Not everyone deserves a front row seat to your journey. Unfiltered lessons from the school of hard knocks. Trust, but verify. Healthy distrust protects you. You're not crazy, you're awake. Society labels thinkers as overcomplicating, but truth isn't simple. Happiness diminishes when hoarded. Share it like a candle, lighting others without losing its flame. Fairness is a fantasy. Expecting the world to be fair is like expecting a lion not to eat you because you're vegetarian. Resentment is poison you drink. Hoping others die, let go, or be dragged. The brutal shortcut to success. Small leaks sink ships. Watch little expenses, habits, and toxic people. Your circle dictates your future. The average of your 5 closest people is your destiny. Stop saying last time, instead say, this is the first time I'm not doing it. Comparison is the thief of joy. Others highlight reality.